All right, so today I put back together the car. JB welded the crack here. See if it holds. If not, I guess I'll have to buy another valve cover. Had this apart, took the thermostat housing off because the water pipe was leaking. I bought a new O-ring for that. Bought a new PCV valve for that. What else did I do today? I ordered the injectors, so they should be here Monday, a couple days. And then, yeah, hopefully that J-pipe doesn't leak anymore. I mean, the water pipe, I don't know, they're pretty finicky sometimes. But today we're gonna put the quick release steering wheel in, and then probably do the carbon fiber airbag delete on the passenger side. But first, we'll do this. I don't know, actually I haven't showed you guys since I put the trim back on. Put the trim back on. The whole interior is put back together pretty much except the passenger side. And then right there, I was checking the EC the other day. I just need to put that panel back on. And then fix this carpet. This is like new carpet he put in here, but I'll probably trim it up more. I don't know if it's like OEM, but seems like it's aftermarket. But yeah, let's go ahead and get the steering wheel off. It's only 4 bolts. Hold the airbag on, pull that off, and then I'll show you guys how it goes. Should just come out. Unplug that. Unplug this. God damn. She out of there. Then you got a center bolt. 17. Yep. That was tight. All right, here's the Momo hub I got. Sorry, that's the Momo hub. You gotta take out the SRS, whatever this is. There's a plug, kind of back there. It's the red one. There's a green tab you have to flip up. This bolt. There we go. You can see it right here. You gotta flip that with the flathead I did, and then just pull it out. And then I'm gonna take this other wire out, and this should be gone. And then I'll show you what it looks like with the hub mounted up. It's not very easy to film this process right now, but also the cover for this was only 2 bolts underneath that I had, so I think it's supposed to be 3, but yeah, 3. Might have had 2 in it. All right, almost done. All right, so the hub's on. Pretty simple, just 1 bolt, slide it on, line it up top. There's a plastic piece in the back. I don't know if I'll be able to show it, but it has 3 prongs. Has to go into the back of the steering wheel. This is not a quick release. I didn't look at it. He just told me it came with the quick release wheel. It's definitely not a quick release, but I'll put the shroud on and then put the wheel on. All right, 5 bolts. Use some blue Loctite. That's it. I opted to not do the horn yet. Figure out how to do that. It has a second center cap with a horn button. I haven't dug into that though. But not gonna lie, I'm not in love with it. It's free. It's I think the guy said he got it from I think it's off a boat, an Italian boat, race boat. He was giving it to for free. But it's made in Italy. It's pretty cool. It's genuine Momo. All right, let's get to the airbag. It's pretty easy. Take that glove box out and then get the bolts from underneath. All right, so for this one, drop your glove box. Bolts should be right up there. Remember, make sure your battery has been disconnected. Take out the bolts. I think there's only 2 of them. Should pull out. That's pretty simple. It's 2 bolts. Right. I'll do a wide angle. 2 bolts. Here, and 3 Phillip head screws. So I really like the carbon fiber airbag deletes that are like a cubby, but it's not what I got. Let's throw mine in and check it out. And that was that. 2 bolts. Reinstall it. That's it. You don't have to use the Phillip head. Close the glove box and we're done. And then I got to put the trim on this side. Put this back on. Just got to put the weather stripping on. Interior's coming together. Dash needs to go back together. And need to get a shifter boot. We're moving right along. I'll see you guys in the next one. Like I said, I might change the steering wheel. I don't know. I'll give it some time. We'll get the car on the street first, for sure. Peace.